What's up everybody, it's Seth Fowler and today I'm opening up a bunch of packages I got in the mail. I think it's mostly clothes, but it could be other stuff too. I'm honestly not sure, so let's get into it. Thanks so much for tuning in today guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet, but with all that being said, let's get into the first package. So the first package, it looks like, is from a brand called Soul Science, and basically what they do is they create a shoe deodorizer. So if your shoes smell, this is a brand to go with. They've sent me some stuff in the past, but they didn't actually tell me this was coming, so I'm excited to see what it is. I'm assuming it's a new shoe deodorizer, but let's find out. There we go. Inside the box we've got, okay, it looks like we've got a list of the different scents that you can get. There is Cool Watermelon, Future Fresh, Astro Punch, Tropicali, Midnight Cherry, G Leather, and Galactic Ice. Oh, it looks like they actually rate the fragrance strength. It's the little number underneath each one of the names. And I think Cool Watermelon's a 6. I can't see the other ones. What's the strongest one? The strongest one is G Leather, and that's an 8, apparently. Next inside the box, we've got this sticker. Oh, nice. It looks like they did a collaboration with Jumpman Bostic. That's pretty cool. Very nice, very nice. What else we got? Kool-Aid. So they sent me Kool-Aid. Sweet. I wonder if it's a Kool-Aid flavor scent that they sent me. Oh, okay, here we go. Here's a little thing that tells me what it is. It says, Seth, what's good? We proudly present to you our latest ANTIDŌT sneaker freshener, Jumpman Bostic's Midnight Cherry. He was personally involved with every step of the process, from fragrance choice to label design. Keep your kicks fresh inside and out. Enjoy. Well, I appreciate that, Jumpman Bostic and Soul Science. That's really cool. Stay positive. Never let the hate of others become your hate. Jumpman Bostic. Peace. Yo, I appreciate that, guys. That's awesome. I actually met Jumpman Bostic in Florida. Was the first time I met him. Florida at SneakerCon, Fort Lauderdale. He's an awesome dude. Here it is. Here is the scent. What's the name of it again? Midnight Cherry. So here's the Midnight Cherry. Let's pop it. Sorry. Oh, I actually really like this packaging. That's sick. So here it is, Midnight Cherry by Jumpman Bostic and Soul Science. I think it's time for a smell test. I think that's the plan. We'll see. Let's find a pair of shoes that don't smell so good. Oh, I know the pair. I was wearing these at work a couple days ago and someone was asking me about them, and so I took them off, and that was a huge mistake. As you can see, these are the 3M Ultra Boost 1.0s. They are really worn to the ground, to be honest. The boost is just disgusting. It smells terrible. How many sprays do I need? 3 to 5 sprays inside each sneaker. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the middle. 4 is in the middle. It's actually really nice. It smells very much like one of those dark cherry ice creams that you get. That's actually really nice. I really dig that. I need to stop smelling this shoe though. That's getting gross. But definitely really like this ANTIDŌT Midnight Navy by Jumpman Bostic. That's sick. So thank you guys for sending this out. I really appreciate it. Okay, next up, let's do this one. I think I know what this is. This isn't actually one that was sent to me. This was one that, if it is what I think it is, let me just double check. Oh yeah, it's definitely what I thought it was. Okay, so this is from Kicks on Fire. If you guys don't know, basically what they do is every so often they do a quick strike where they drop a shirt for free and all you have to do is pay for shipping. And this one I thought was actually really cool because it's 3M. So it's got all this like silver looking stuff on it, like the silver graphic that is 3M. Oh, there's more stuff. Okay, Kicks and Kixify. Some stuff about their mission, some wristbands. That's pretty cool. We've got some, oh, that's actually sick. They've got like a 3M sticker too. That's really cool. But here's the shirt. So like I said, they do this every so often, probably once every 2 or 3 months, where they just tweet out that they have some shirts for free and all you have to do is pay for shipping. I think shipping is like $5 or $10. It's not too bad. But yeah, no, this is sick. This is really cool. So thank you Kicks on Fire for doing this quick strikes and for having dope sneaker information. That's that one down. Next up, what's this one? I ripped off the tag so that you guys wouldn't see my address, but now I actually don't know who it's from. So that was smart on my part. So inside here, let's see. I suck. There we go. Nice. Nice. I know what this is now, obviously, because I've seen it. But this is a dad hat from a brand called Koya. Or Koya. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but very cool. See, is there a note or something in here? Oh, nice, Koya wear. This is their brand. Actually, I forgot to mention anything that I unbox in this video, I'm gonna leave a link to in the description below. So ANTIDŌT, I'll have a link to them in the description below. I'll have a link to Koya. Kicks on Fire, you guys already know about that, so I won't link that. But this is actually really dope. Thank you so much for this hat. Let me try it on, see how it fits. Time for the switch out. We don't need the Supreme hat anymore. Woo. It looks pretty nice. I dig this. There's a mirror over here if you guys are wondering what I'm doing. I'm just checking myself out. Let's try it the other way. Not too shabby. This is dope. So thank you, Koya, for sending this my way. This is awesome. I'm gonna keep rocking this till we open the next package. Like I said, their links will be in the description below. Make sure to check them out. So as you can probably tell, this last box I've already opened. I've actually had this for probably about 2 or 3 weeks, and I meant to do a video on it 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I completely forgot about it, and I ended up wearing the hat that they sent me. So spoiler, this came in the box. But first, let me read this note. Seth, thank you for letting us send over this package. We hope you'll like what's in it, and there will be more to come in the future. As always, keep making As always, keep making... Do it look like I'm left out bad and bougie? As always, keep making dope contents, bruh. YTG. So thank you guys so much for this. This is awesome. I've already looked through the stuff, but I'll show you guys now. I really like their brand. And one thing I'll say before I actually get into it, everything that's in this box, because it's like a designer brand, I guess, I was expecting it to be really expensive. And honestly, the material quality is really, really nice. It's actually crazy cheap. So actually, the most expensive thing that they sent me, which is this nice jacket, is only 55 bucks on their website. And I can tell you right now, on other websites, it would be a lot more. First things first, to check out the hat that they sent me. This is the one that I've been rocking in a lot of videos. I just love black hats. I think this is awesome. I think it's called the Black Soul Cap on their website. On the back side, it says, "The End." I'm not sure exactly what that means or why it's there, but I think it's awesome. On this side, you've got a little 3 stripes logo. I'm not sure if that's their brand's logo or what that is, but nice touch. And then on the front, you've got this embroidered chick, I think. She's pretty cool. I usually don't rock hats forward, but I've rocked this forward a couple times just because I like that logo a lot. So, very cool. Thank you guys so much for this hat. Literally, I've rocked this probably every single day since I've gotten it, so very cool. Next up, they sent over this YTG Los Angeles shirt. It's just a black, really thick, really nice material shirt. One thing I noticed about the stuff that they sent, is that the fit is a little bit different than what I'm used to. Like, I don't really wear a lot of like high fashion stuff. So this is kind of like an oversized t-shirt. And the interesting thing about this, other than the fact that it's got this really nice thick material, is that on the back you've actually got this sort of elastic, which is kind of cool. It kind of looks futuristic. So this is very cool. Thank you, YTG, for this. Next up, we've got a really cool, interesting crew neck, it looks like. So this is a really thick crew neck sweater. It's I don't think it has any branding on it other than on the tag in the back. Yeah, YTG Los Angeles. This is one of the ones that I was talking about with kind of the interesting fit. Usually in the stuff that I wear, I have like a shoulder that kind of comes out to here. These guys almost have like a sort of like A-frame or triangular look. It's a little bit different. It actually reminds me a lot of, I think sort of like Eastern design, like maybe some Japanese design. I dig it, but it's something that I have to get used to wearing because I've never worn anything like it. But again, you've got the elastic on the back, which I think is dope. Actually, one of my favorite parts of this is that you have a seam or like a cut on the side right there, which I think is really cool. This is definitely a dope crew neck. So thank you so much, YTG, for sending this out. I dig it. Next up, we've got what looks like another, oh, it's not a crew neck, it's a hoodie. Okay, so we've got a hoodie in almost the exact same style as the crew neck, same color and everything. And then on the back, again, you've got that sort of elastic going on, which is a really cool look, a really cool touch. Like the other crew neck, it's got this nice little slit on the side, which I actually really like. That might actually be my favorite feature of these, I guess, sweatshirts. And like I said before, the material is actually really nice and really thick, so I really dig that. And surprisingly, this is only 38 bucks on their website, which is crazy. They must be getting great manufacturing prices because that's pretty cheap for what this is. So I'm impressed. Thank you guys for sending this out. And finally, they sent me one last thing. The jacket that I was talking about before. It's this really cool nylon hooded jacket. And you might be asking, where's the hood? Well, surprise, it's in the neck, which I think is a really cool touch. So you unzip the zipper around the neck right here. And then I believe it's rolled up in the back. Yes, it is. I've seen that done on a couple other brands. I've never owned one like that, but I think that's really sick. You've actually got a zipper on either side. That's not something I've seen before, but you know what? Hey, if it works, it works. And then again on the back, you've got that sort of elastic area, which really gives it that sort of futuristic look, which I dig. I really like it. This is really nice. So guys, that's all for the unboxings. If you guys want to check out YTG, I left a link to their stuff in the description below. Again, same for KuyaWear, same for ANTIDŌT. Thanks again to all the brands for sending this stuff out. It's super cool. I really like all of it actually, which is surprising. Let me take this one off because this is looking ridiculous. But that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what your favorite pickup of the last week was. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to me if you like this content and you want to see more content just like this. And follow me on all other forms of social media. The links will be below. It's crazy hot in here. This is insane.